Welcome to Quick English Practice. English Grammar Test. Each question takes 5 seconds to answer. If you score over 90%, your English is fantastic. Let's get started. Good luck. I was watching television when the lights out. Right answer is C, went. She is the most student in our class. Right answer is B, intelligent. You smoke here. It's a no smoking area. Right answer is C, must not. My phone is not working. I need to get it. Right answer is A, repaired. This is the place. We met last year. Right answer is B, where. By the time he arrived, we dinner. Right answer is C, had finished. She got her hair yesterday. Right answer is B, cut. They arrived the airport at 9 p.m. Right answer is A, at. If she harder, she will succeed. Right answer is C, works. The baby, sleeping for 2 hours. Right answer is B, has been. I need a pen to write. Right answer is C, with. The thief ran away. The police arrived. Right answer is A, before. The work was done. Right answer is B, well. He to the gym every morning. Right answer is C, goes. She was upset to speak. Right answer is A, too. We met a man. Dog had gone missing. Right answer is B, whose. He said he busy at the moment. Right answer is A, was. She has lived in this town, 2010. Right answer is C, since. They haven't decided where. Right answer is B, to go. The movie was boring that I fell asleep. Right answer is C, so. Neither of the answers correct. Right answer is B, is. I couldn't remember. I left my bag. Right answer is B, where. A number of people going to the concert. Right answer is C, are. She already finished her homework. Right answer is they, has. Let me know if any questions. Right answer is B, have.